Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Tatjana from Garnet Beauty and Art, and in today's video we're going to do a beautiful flower coaster. I just would like to let you know straight away I had a bit of disaster today with my camera, so it's decided at the end of my video stop recording. So I will have a cut-off video, but I will explain step by step what I've done on my video. And I have premixed already my resin, which is 1:1 ratio, and I'm just going to use my 4 small silicone cups to mix my colors in there. I really like using them because it's really easy to use, really easy to clean, and they're really perfect small size for the little design, so you don't waste products in there. And I just splitting them in my small cups, and then we are going to start mixing our colors. For the first color I'm going to use a purple pigment color. It's quite see-through color, so I have added few drops of this pigment. It's beautiful color, but I decided to add few more drops of a bit solid and darker pigment to make it more pinky color, and I think the result of the color was really nice. I'm really pleased with this one. And for the second color we're using my black. Again, I'm going to use two different pigments because one of the pigments a bit see-through, so I have added few more drops of my other pigment to make sure I'm all happy with the color and it's nice and solid. For the third color we're going to use a mica powder, which is white gold color, so it's a white with a bit of gold shimmer. It's really beautiful color. And for the last one I'm going to use ocean white, and it's really a thick and solid paste pigment, so you need like really just a half little drop of it to make a beautiful color. I normally mix my colors and then going back over again and mixing them again, so make sure they all beautifully mix, especially with the mica powder. And I'm going to start my design with pink color. We're just going to put it all the way around. I just had it not enough, so just mix it little more of this color. So make sure you've got a beautiful line, and then we're going to add our black color again just around the coaster on a pink. I normally go in between with my torch gun as well, and then we're going with the mica powder. And then we're putting some white color and just adding a bit of more white, and we're going to put our white and finishing with a clear color in the middle. At this point I left my camera on for you to see how color will change, but unfortunately it decided not to record it, so I have waited 10 minutes until colors went nicely moved to the middle. I still had a hole in the middle, so I have put my crushed glass and I use my silicone brush to move resin to the middle. If you want to see exactly how I've done, you can see my other video with a flower on my YouTube channel, and I think it's video number 11, and you can see the technique I used for I use same techniques for other flower which I've done for this one as well. And this is the final result. I've got few little drops of the resin in there because I was moving some sparkles, but I think it still looks really beautiful. It's quite different, and look at this side. I really like this side. Still really nice combination of color. And look at this side. It's a beautiful flower. I really like this, and I think it's really nice. Please let me know what you think about this one. Leave me some comments, and I would love to know. And thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned. Check my other videos, and please like, subscribe, and see you soon. Bye for now.